Writing a dissertation or thesis can be a challenging and time-consuming task. However, with proper planning and effective strategies, you can expedite the process and complete your dissertation or thesis in a timely manner. This guide provides valuable tips and techniques to help you write your dissertation or thesis quickly and efficiently. Plan and organize. Start by creating a detailed plan outlining the structure, chapters, and timeline for your dissertation or thesis. Break down the writing process into manageable tasks and set deadlines for each section. Create a schedule that includes dedicated time for research, writing, and revisions. Conduct efficient research. Prioritize relevant and reputable sources for your literature review. Utilize online databases, academic journals, and libraries to gather information. Take thorough notes and organize them properly for easy referencing. Develop a strong thesis statement. Craft a clear and concise thesis statement that outlines the purpose and scope of your research. Ensure your thesis statement is arguable and supports the main argument of your dissertation or thesis. Write in stages. Begin with the chapters or sections that you find most interesting or have the most knowledge about. Break each chapter into smaller sections and focus on completing one section at a time. Set daily or weekly writing goals to maintain progress and momentum. Seek feedback and support. Share your work in progress with your advisor, peers, or colleagues for valuable feedback. Join writing groups or seek online forums where you can exchange ideas and receive constructive criticism. Consider hiring an editor or proofreader to ensure the quality and coherence of your work. Stay focused and avoid procrastination. Eliminate distractions during your dedicated writing time. Use productivity tools or techniques such as the Pomodoro technique to enhance your focus and productivity. Take regular breaks to rejuvenate and maintain mental clarity. Conclusion: by following these strategies, you can streamline the dissertation or thesis writing process and complete it efficiently. Remember to stay organized, conduct thorough research, and seek support when needed. Writing a dissertation or thesis fast requires discipline and dedication, but with the right approach, you can accomplish this important academic milestone within your desired time frame. For further assistance with IT solutions, you can contact Techie IT Solutions Private Limited at +918305233223 or visit their website at www.techiesgroup.co.in. You can also reach them via email at info@techiesgroup.co.in.